YouTube family, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like the content you see, go ahead and subscribe, why not? And if this is your return video, thank you for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate the love and I really appreciate the support. Even though sometimes I'm crazy busy and I don't record on a consistent basis, and I'm a little bit slow at responding to the comments, you guys still support and I really genuinely appreciate it. In today's video, I'm coming at you barefaced. There's nothing there but skin. I'm going to discuss one skincare product that has been just keeping my bare face glow just up to par. This is my second time filming this video because the first time I filmed it in my bathroom showing how I did the whole entire skincare. But some of that footage got a little bit damaged, so now I'm refilming it, but I'm not filming all of it because I'm going to refilm like the intro part here, and then the skincare footage, which did get saved from the other video. I'm going to show you guys that in the midst of doing this, and then I'm going to wrap it up here. It's going to get really technical, but we're going to put those two videos together and make one boom bam awesome video. Okay? Now that I've said my disclaimer and my piece ahead of time, my introduction, I'm going to cut into the clip of me actually in my bathroom using the product. The original video that I filmed, but some of the introduction got, I don't know what happened to it, I don't know if my name pressed the record button or what, but it got damaged. So I'm going to shoot to that clip right now of me in my bathroom using the product. You ready? Let's go to the bathroom. So the company is called Gleamin, G-L-E-A-M-I-N. And what they've essentially formulated is a face mask that claims to brighten your skin, not bleach, because you don't do that, but brighten your skin, detoxify, and enrich. This is how the product comes. You get the clay mask, and you also get the applicator brush. So those are the two things that you'll get in your package. Before I apply the product though, I want to just check on my phone. Just want to make sure I give you all the details that I can about the company before I dive into testing the mask. So like I said, the company is Gleamin. They are an Australian brand. They do free delivery worldwide. So they're international. They ship internationally and they will ship for free no matter where you are. Some things that it claims to do is it gives you instantly enhanced skin for a luminous bare face glow, achieve a radiant even skin tone, fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, stain free and formulated to work with all skin types, and especially the stain free part, because you know with the turmeric that can really end up really messy on your fingernails, especially if you have that fresh manicure and you get like a light color like I tend to get most of the time, like whites or pinks. You know, that yellow just stain just, you know, just mess up the whole situation. Yeah, so that's that. So let's try it out. Boom, instructions right there. So you see it? Instructions. How to use. Step 1. Apply evenly to freshly cleansed face using the super smooth applicator brush provided in the box. Basically means that I have to cleanse my face first. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to wash my face with a cleanser. So I wash my face with a cleanser. Now I'm going to apply the product. There we go. Looks like baby food. It looks like straight up baby food. Maybe like pumpkin or squash. It has a light smell. Not bad though. It's really light and I wouldn't say medicinal, but it's very like an organic scent, but it's not bad. It's really light. I like it. I do like it. Okay, now me, I'm my regular old school way, but I just apply this with my hand. But they want me to be fancy and apply it with the brush. Why did the helicopter have to come now? This whole time. Now a helicopter will come. You hear it? Can you hear the helicopter? So I'm going to apply while the helicopter decides it wants to ruin my video because it just bright that yesterday. Alright, here. Ooh. This is really creamy. The brush feels really nice too. Okay. And I'm not wasting anything. So yes, I'm using it from the lid. For all people want to say something, I grew up very poor, okay? We don't waste anything in my household. So we're starting with the lid first. Ooh, this feels, I don't know if it's the brush or the product, but it feels really good. I look cute now. So step 1 is finally done. Now we're on to step 2. Step 2 says, nope, that's not it. There we go. Wait around 10 minutes. Wait around 10 minutes for the mask to fully dry. Right now the time is, this helicopter, who is it looking for? Right now it is 9:52 in the morning. So roughly around 10 o'clock, 10:02, 10:05, in that general vicinity, I'm going to come back. What am I going to do in 10 minutes? Well, I'm going to wash this brush, first of all. And then I also started watering my plants. I'm going to finish watering my plants. And I also have some down here in the bathtub. I'm not sure if you can see. Down there that I'm going to have to finish watering and put back to their home. And I have a lot of plants, you guys. You guys might not know this, but I recently did, speaking of the plants, I recently did a plant tour video where you guys will see the plants in my home. I have roughly about 60 to 70 plants, I want to say. I need to count, but I have a few in the bathroom, all over, behind me, in front of me. I'm looking at them right now. So if you do want to see my plant tour video, because I am a plant parent, a plant mom, love me some good plants, I will leave it for you right here or right there, whichever side to come on. I don't know, but it up there, so click it if you want to see that plant tour video. And I do also feature other plant videos on this channel as well. So that's what I'll be doing in my 10 minutes while I wait for this mask to dry. I am back. 10 minutes went by. See? The phone was letting me know. Right now it is 10:03. So 10 minutes went by pretty quickly. Plus I got wrapped up in taking care of the plants. So you know that can always cause you to lose track of time. Step 3. Gently take the mask off with warm water and pat dry using a soft, clean towel. Okay, so I'm going to wash off my face now. Alright, you guys. Ready? Here we go. What do you guys think? Okay, my skin feels really smooth though. My skin feels really smooth. I think my skin looks really good. Is it overly glowing? No, not yet, to be honest. I'm not going to just tell you guys, oh my gosh, no, it's not overly over the top going, but my skin feels really good. I honestly think with consistent usage I will see more results, but I think we'll continue to use. I honestly think this is a great product. Of course the ingredients are phenomenal, so how could it not work? But I think 10 minutes will do something, but 10 minutes won't give you a miracle in my opinion, but it will do something. But using it consistently, miracle on 34th Street. I have been using this product once a week so far, and it just has improved my bare face glow. So my skin naturally has, oh, why am I wearing my AirPods? Who am I talking to? Nobody. Why? What was the point? Like I was saying, my skin does just have a natural glow to it. I honestly don't have much dark spots for it to fade, but the ones that I did have a few over here. Not much, just a stat, and it has lightened it up. So you can still see this one here. Remember this one here, which has lightened up and it is going away over time. But I did have some more like right here, and to me it has faded and it looks much better. The ingredients in the skin are amazing. It has turmeric. Turmeric is amazing for the skin, guys. In case you didn't know, turmeric is amazing for the skin and brightening the skin. So that is one of the key ingredients. That's it, you guys. That's how I use the Gleamin mask on a weekly basis. Keep this gleaming, healthy, glowy skin. That's it. I mean, I do use other skincare products, but this is a major key player as far as brightening the skin. I really love, and I use this mask so far. Let me show you, since y'all probably think I'm joking. Let me show you. I know it's in the box still, but it just to show you guys how it came. But this is all in my bathroom, and look, see? Can you see? I have used it. I really hope you guys check this product out, especially if you have a lot of skin issues. This product has had so many reviews. It is sometimes sold out. It has great feedback, great reviews, and I'm another one with that positive review again. I am also saying this is a great product with a great review. So go ahead and check it out. Your skin will thank you. That bare face glow is just the bomb. It's just everything. All the company information, the product information will be in the description bar. They do ship internationally for free, complimentary, because if you're like me and once you see that shipping price, I will second guess buying a product once I have to pay for shipping. I will, just being honest. No matter how inexpensive or how expensive the product is, once I have to pay for shipping, I will second guess buying the product. That's just me. But if this company ships internationally, complimentary. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye.